Hello, welcome to the fourth and final video of our tutorial on CRM. So we're exploring the last applications. So finally, after you have researched, you have contacted, you have negotiated, and you have closed partnership, then comes the really cool thing is to fill this application, which is sales. So here you will be able to register each of the sales that you achieve. Actually, I just realized that I need to make a changes myself. I need to update with the recent sales that I have. But okay, I will show you how. For example, I'm going to add AIESEC, which is one of the companies we just signed a partnership with. Account manager, it's me plus gap. Number of opportunities they raised, 1. So product is going to be on finance and administration. And if you have file, for example, like it can be either the contract or something other file that you think is relevant. For example, here I'm going to add the contract that I have with the company. So it is taking a little while. Okay, here it is, the contract already signed by the company. Well, actually, you don't need to add the contract every time you have a sale with a company. I mean, if it's a company that you already signed the contract before and they ask you for new interns, there's no need to add the contract. I'm just adding here as it is a new partnership. And you can, as also something very importantly in every application, you can assign tasks for your members or for yourself. For example, I will assign myself a task of follow up or sending contract to Victoria from AIESEC. Then I add myself. I can add the deadline tomorrow. So here I can type the hour the company is linked to. I can share it, or I can add more information. I can also add files, and here it can send me a reminder if I also type, or it can send you a reminder here inside the app. So I create a task and you can assign it to your members and they receive a notification that they have this task. So yeah, you can do that, and you can do also that in other applications, or you can add comments tagging people. For example, you can tag Gab and maybe say, hey Gab, you need to contact this company, blah blah blah. So yeah. Yep. So that's the sales application, and then you have some other applications that you don't really need to you don't really need to check all the time. This is a partner satisfaction survey that the MC will be sending once in a while. The transition model in which you apply when you want to work with the MC with some of the national accounts. And this is an important job description template. As you already know, there's a link for this, but you can check when you send it to the partners and the partners fill it. You can check the job descriptions, so you can have it here and open your opportunities on Expa. So that's all of the CRM. As you know, you will be in the beginning using organizations, contacts, interaction, applications. These are the main three. Then sales and job description. So it's like very easy. So this is a matter of constancy. Like if you want to close uh, uh, if you want to achieve in sales, you need to be super persistent, super resilient, and at the same time to be organized and to be disciplined. So filling the CRM is something that will allow you to get to that discipline, to be constant in the way that you gather all the information that is clear, that everyone else will understand what's going on with each of the partners or each of the prospective companies, and also that for you will be easier to control or to track your companies and your partnerships. So that's all, and let's go and sell lots of GT opportunities. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.